In this video, I am going to show you how you can automate your LinkedIn account for finding the ideal prospects or the targeting leads to sending them outreaching DM messages. And for this, I am using the LinkedIn AI agent, and this platform is offering the really good AI agents for the LinkedIn automation. Using this platform, I can just find the ideal prospects or the targeting leads. I can just safely connect my LinkedIn account. It has the Unibox inbox to show me all of the LinkedIn messages from the different DMs or the profile in this single place, and even I can just connect the multiple LinkedIn accounts in this platform. So right now ScaliQ is available on the app Sumo with the lifetime deal, and here it can just offer you all the features that we can use on this platform in this lifetime plan. So what I suggest, go with at least the tier 3 plan, because here we will get the multiple LinkedIn accounts connectivity. You can see the agents, means one agent is available for one LinkedIn account, and if you want to connect the multiple LinkedIn accounts, you need the multiple agents here. So that's why I suggest go with at least the tier 3 plan, because along with the multiple LinkedIn accounts or the AI agents, we have the leads we can export, we have the agent follow-ups and all these features. And even if you want to offer the white label services, this thing is enabled in the tier 3 plan. So not only you can use it yourself, but also outsource as the service and earn extra money. So if you want to check it out, the lifetime deal link is given in the description, and somehow if you are not happy, it has the 60 days refundable period. If you are not enjoying, just refund it and your 100% money will be back here. So once you got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and here you will see the steps you need to follow to get started. First, it will ask you to connect a LinkedIn account here. So you can do that either connecting from here, or you can just go to the account section and here you can connect that. So suppose I want to connect a LinkedIn account. First let me delete my connected LinkedIn account here, and I will show you from the scratch. We have the multiple options available to connecting the LinkedIn account in this platform. Right now let's click here on the connect new LinkedIn account. We have first option is the installing the Chrome web store extension. Then we have the entering our login details. Third option, if you want to connect multiple LinkedIn accounts from a team member or the friend, just send a link here and their LinkedIn account will be connected here. So that is really easiest and the effortless way. So I'm going to use the first option. Here we have to just install this extension here, and once you have connected or install this option, you have to go to your LinkedIn profile, and after that you have to just simply locate that extension you have just installed. Okay, then after that simply click here. Okay, now it will open up, and now you can see it will going to automatically follow all this stuff. Login on your ScaliQ account, connecting LinkedIn, and simply click on the add LinkedIn to ScaliQ account here. Okay, so now it is connecting, and now if I go to dashboard here, let me close this one. You can see it will start connecting my LinkedIn account here, and now it is connected. So this option is really easy. So once your LinkedIn account is connected, it will ask us to search or add the leads which we are going to outreach. Okay, so let's do that. Either what we can do, we can export the leads just searching the LinkedIn here, or if you have the list of the leads, you can export that. But if you don't, you can just go to its section where we are going to just find out the leads. So here on the, and now you can see it is asking me the signal URL that you can use at the post URL profile here. Then we have this simply add article want to search. Then we have all CS navigation, and this is the import that I talked about earlier, that if you want to, you can do it from here. So I will go with the intent signals, and for this I am going to LinkedIn search section, and here I will search my targeted audience here. So I have searched that. Now I will just copy the link from here, get back to the platform, and simply paste the link here. Okay, this is not valid LinkedIn okay, it is asking me to enter the post of the URL. So I suppose that option is also available here. Yeah, you can see this is the option, and we have the really good amount of the interaction in this post here. So I can use anyone's post here. Let me open up this post here, and okay, this is the profile open. I have to open up this, copy the URL of this link, get back to this ScaliQ dashboard, and now you can see what I want to scrape, the likes or the comments, and here I have the limits of the leads I want to scrape. So I want to go with the 100 leads. So simply click here on the this arrow icon, and now it will start scraping those leads that liked this post here. You can see I think I have seen around the 200 likes and the interactions available in this post, and all these people it is going to scrape here. It is start scraping out. So it is still in the progress, and it can take around few minutes, so you have to wait till then. And here you can see all the logs, like on this time it has initializing the AI agent, and this is all the steps going on. So let's see how much time it is going to take. So while this is going on, what we can do all of these stuffs check out. Like this is the campaign section, but we have also the unified inbox, means all the people you have just targeted as the leads and send them the DMs. You can check out their replies here. If you have the multiple LinkedIn accounts connected, you can also check that all these messages in this single platform. And here we are going to create our AI agents for the LinkedIn that is going to 100% automate your LinkedIn outreaching. Okay, so we have this one that is the automatically created full autonomous AI agent, and if you want to create from the scratch and set up your own with the more precise control, you can create here. But we want to go with this full autonomous AI agent, and here you can see it has the strategy, it has the outreach, nurturing, and the analytics. So simply it will ask us to enter the few things like the LinkedIn profile URL. So I'm going to go give him my LinkedIn profile URL here. So let me open up this is my LinkedIn profile. Let me paste it here. Then this is asking my website name, so I will add my website name here. So I want to something like offer my local businesses services, so I will copy the link of my website and simply paste it here. Okay, now it is asked me to select the LinkedIn account. This one I have connected, so I am selecting that. And then after that, what is the CTA? So I can just select from few CTAs like the sign up, other, and book call. So I will go with the book call. Then the CTA link if I have available. Let me go with this or this one. So here I can just simply add this website checking out URL here. Okay, and now simply click here on the create agent. Now it will start creating the agent depending on the information and the things it has asked me. I have filled out, and it is now creating my agent here. So it can take few seconds. You can see we will redirect you automatically when it's ready. So while this is happening, let's see if we have all the leads right now or not. It's able to get all the leads here. You can see 100 leads, one LinkedIn account, one campaign, and it is right now showing me the analytics. So let me go to the campaign and see the leads is showing or not. You can see this is all the leads information, and no agent is assigned right now. So once my agent is built here, you can see this agent is built here, I am going to assign it here. So while this is readying it, let me view all the leads here. So let's see what are the leads information available. I have the contact info, I have the LinkedIn profile, I have the company profile, and I have the personalization and all this information available. Okay, so it's pretty much good here. I can also export the leads here. Let's back to the campaign. I can view the post, and let's see my agent is ready or not, so I can assign it. And finally my agent is done here. You can see and you can see my page, success message, and send when, account is connected, everything is done here. If I want to edit it, I can just do it here. Suppose let me rename my agent name, and I can do all the changes here. And once everything is done, I am updating my AI agent here. So this is how your AI agent will be done here. And once this is built, we can back to our campaign section, and from here I can select the agent we have just created. And now we have to simply click here on the start new campaign, and my campaign will be done. And in this campaign, let me start it here. In this campaign, what it will do, it will going to just send them the DM. And after that, once the connection request is done, it will start sending out the DM, and if I am going to get the replies, I can see them here. So this is how the ScaliQ platform works out. So this is really good platform, and it is one of the branch of the company that has even built out the ScaliQ, NaughtyQ, and this outreach AI automation system. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal platform is really affordable and amazing, the services it is and the feature it is offering. So if you want to check it out, the deal link is given in the description. And that's all for today's. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.